Hello, Namaskar. I'm Dr. Ketki Kayale Bhokre, Editor-in-Chief, Journal of Oral Medicine, Oral Surgery, Oral Pathology, and Oral Radiology. I would like to extend very warm greetings and welcome to all the eminent research brilliants, those who are present today for this prestigious award ceremony. First and the foremost, I would like to congratulate the entire team of IESRF for taking such an initiative to present research awards. Because we live in a society wherein beauty pageants and personality contests are hyped. And such an important strata of the society, that is the researchers, they are just far behind from all this limelight. So, introducing such award ceremonies will definitely boost up the good research work because not every researcher can grab up a Nobel. So acknowledging and appreciating their sweat, what they put for the research work to be done and to get published is a great thought. So I thank you, ISRF, on behalf of all the researchers. Well, coming back to my message, last year around the same time when entire world was getting acclimatized to this newly introduced lockdown phenomenon, I was very kindly bestowed with this precious crown of editor-in-chief by Innovative Publications. Well, I'm calling this as a precious crown, not just because of the post, but because through this channel, I was introduced to the most sorted, scholars in the field, handpicked scholars in the field, people with great creative abilities, and I was able to be a part of many webinars, workshops, conferences with them. So I learned a lot from each and every person out there, and it has been a great experience so far. Having said that, even my own editorial board and reviewer board is not an exception to this. JOOO has been my baby journal because I am associated with this journal since its inception in the year 2014. I had, served the journal in every form that I can, right from, reviewing the articles, editor, or even contributing it as an author to the journal. It is very special to me also because it is among the very few journals that deals with three exclusive specialities of dentistry, and hence it will always remain close to my heart. uh, Hence we as a team, we just had one aim when we took meetings and all for JOOO, that we just don't have to go on launching issue after issue to get our frequency of publication right, but we wanted to serve as an honest communication medium for authors to the editors and reviewers who can provide them guidance with their work. They can provide editing services for the betterment of the work, and also between the authors and the healthcare society, so that breakthrough innovations can be effectively communicated with the healthcare society. So with this notion in mind, we launched a special issue and a special segment known as Inceptive Innovations in our journal, which deal with small breakthroughs in which everybody must be experimenting in their labs and clinics, and which have got good results for them. So you need huge articles, huge armamentarium to carry on studies. Just few innovations or experimentation that have really gotten you good results could be published in that section. This section was well taken, well received by the research community, and receiving editorials and articles for this from international authors and legends in the field was a very humbling experience. This of course couldn't have been done without team effort and great inputs by my editors and reviewers, which includes Dr. Varun sir, Dr. Rajiv sir, Dr. Purnima ma'am, my editorial assistant, Miss Anshu, my technical hand, Mr. Himanshu, and all others. Maybe I have, sorry if I have forgotten any name, those who have been directly or indirectly associated with our journal. They have all put in lion's share for upgradation of the journal quality as well as its content. So hence, on this platform, I would like to make a very humble appeal to all the editors and reviewers, those who are a part of this today, that every person with him, brings a part of his unique personality to that project or organization. And we being bunch of the most assorted minds in our fraternity, if we give in only our one shade of the talent to that particular journal, we can build great monuments. We can get some really unique things in the journal done. Uh, and this was our experience working as team together. The result of which was we, are publishing 14 plus articles in every issue of JOOO, and many articles are waiting in the lobby to get published. We have to put a hold on those. And our journal is all set to face major indexing agencies this year. So all this will definitely take journal to the new heights. I'm sure of that. And this is just the beginning. We do have to walk miles and miles before we sleep for the betterment of the journal. So thank you once again, everyone, and all the best to all of us. Thank you.